The Nightclub programme addresses the need for support of night shift workers. It brings sleep scientists together with night shift workers to give them really actionable tips on the things that they can do to mitigate some of the negative effects of working at night. 1 in 5 workers work nights. That's grown to over 7 million people during the pandemic. Yet you'll often find that night shift workers will call themselves the forgotten shift. Something that's very common is that all of the support happens for day workers but isn't the same level of provision for night shift workers.
I used to do 10 till 6 in the morning. It's very difficult regarding your mental health as much as your physical health as well. Sleep, for example, because your body clock just keeps changing all the time. I did kind of get used to it because I had to change my habits, my eating habits, my social gathering habits, my family habits, but it is very, very difficult to make that change.
From looking at all 6 of these, which factor do you think is the most important for you in order to have a good night's sleep? Thinking quite practically here, what comfortable environment do people need? So thinking about mattresses, pillows. We also spoke about temperature. So thinking about how cool is your sleep environment. I think mindfulness is a really helpful exercise because it allows people to be in the present moment, reducing the cortisol that their body might be producing when they're stressed and anxious, which then will increase the likelihood of them having a good night's sleep.
The goal for us of supporting the Nightclub project is to help identify the best, most effective ways that employers can contribute to the health of shift workers. There's a lot of research out there, but a challenge has been to make it accessible. And so the Nightclub project's been really great at bringing some of that cutting-edge research into the hands of staff and their employers. Actually, we've learned employers can do a lot. These can be a range of practical things, for instance, what's stocked in cafeterias, through to small changes to shift patterns.
It really does answer the question that they are as important as anyone else, and having this shines the light of gratitude on them.